KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.
When working on connecting pipes K06, use the special aluminum scraper tool WZ140. Remove the cover layer and aluminum layer inside the sleeve. The inner pipe, which can be welded, has a different color. Please use the included isopropyl alcohol cleaning cloth for cleaning the welding area on the pipes and in the inside of the E-sleeve. Please pay attention that the aluminum does not enter the welding area. During the welding, no pressure can be placed upon the pipes. Pay attention that the pipes either lie horizontally or are suspended. To avoid and reduce tension during the welding, the original E-sleeve holder WZ146 should be used. Plug in the cable of the E-sleeve welding device into the appropriate cable plug-in of the E-sleeve K17. Press the start button. The welding process runs. The device automatically calculates the welding time. During the welding area may not become wet or damp for any reason. Two plugs that come out of the sleeve during the welding process provide you with additional control for a successful weld. After the duration of the welding, the device signals a successful weld on its display. During the cool-down phase of at least 10 minutes, protect the welding area from mechanical pressures, such as tension or knocks. After an hour of cooling down, the mended pipe can again be placed under pressure in full working condition.
KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.